My name is Chris Lawson. I'm a lecturer here at Southern Regional College and I coordinate the higher level apprenticeship in mechatronics. Mechatronics is the blended discipline between mechanical and electronic engineering with a view of automation and robotics integration. So we're trying to bring the two disciplines together, the mechanical and the electrical, and get them fully automated to try and improve productivity in manufacturing and in industry. So the students do a range of subjects over their time here with us. Some of the key subjects that they look at is automation and robotics. So they'll be using some of our own robots that we have in the college. They'll be designing programs, looking to bring in as part of a larger kind of manufacturing system. We have the likes of CAD, which is computer aided design, where students will design parts for manufacture. They can also use our 3D printers to print off some of those parts, or essentially export them to the likes of a CNC machine for proper machining.
My name is Patricia Byrne and I'm one of the level 3 coordinators on the engineering course. And there will be some practical based subjects in electronics, so the students will get to build circuits on breadboard. And there's also some pneumatics and PLC courses where they're using some of the equipment we have, the robots, pneumatic rigs. As the course is equivalent to 3 levels, the students can go on to university to study some engineering degrees. There's also the option where a lot of students go down the higher level apprenticeship route, which we run here at SRC, the full-time foundation degree, or some may choose to go into employment.
I chose to do engineering here because all the modules that we study are to do with engineering, such as like maths is all engineering based maths, and whereas if I done the A-level maths it would be more just generalised.
I choose SRC because it's a lot more hands-on and practical, which I feel is more useful when actually going out into working in the field.
I chose to study at SRC because I like the fact that I was going to be able to work in small class sizes, and also when I'm in the small classes I get more one-on-one contact from the teacher, which then allows me to develop on my own personal skills.
Learn how to use different types of equipment. This morning we were using the robots there, we've learned how to program them, and last semester we were doing a lot of designing on the computer.
Hi, my name is Tony Rodgers. I'm a mechanical lecturer at Southern Regional College and I coordinate the level 5 in Mechatronic Engineering. Being an engineering course, you get a lot of those transferable skills. Namely, they'll get the experience of designing of experiments, carrying out of experiments, programming, those sort of logical skills that can be applied to many different industries. The sort of roles that our students might be going into straight after a foundation degree will be things like your CAD technician, junior CAD technician. There's also robot technicians where they might be setting up robots. So it's designed specifically to allow year 2 entry into mechatronics bachelor's degree. But again, being engineering, you have a lot of different options as well. You might be able to go down the mechanical route or the electronic route as well. At the end of the course they do work-based learning, which is a 12-week placement, which allows them to conduct an industry live project with an engineering company. And actually lots of our students would actually end up getting a job with that company as well.
Currently I'm working 2 days a week for an engineering company and studying 3 days a week. So once I finish the course I'd like to continue working.
We get 12 weeks work placement, and personally for me it suited really well. So it did inside from university. I feel like a lot of companies do look for work placements, they do work experience, because if you get your degree you still need the experience to back it up, but it does really help, so it does.
So the fees with the college here are less than university. I've been given the opportunity to take part in the World Skills competition, so that means that I'll get to compete against other colleges in Northern Ireland and across the UK.